Today is Tuesday, about 11 o'clock, 23 hours. Tuesday, 23rd April 2024. And they say today have a pink moon, but I don't see any pink moon in the sky. The sky is clouded, totally clouded. I don't see any pink moon at all. I have been studying this place, but through the map, but I don't see any other signs. I don't see any other better place to explore. There are one, but I need a bike. I need to repair my other bikes. Then I can go to another side there, but it's quite far. It's about 5 kilometers from here. And around here, there's a lot of networks of road. It's quite, the layout is quite confusing. You need a map. Oh, you get along. And I don't have data on my phone, so it's out of the question. Did I put 4K? The other day I put 4K, I don't know what else. And I result in having a terrible problem to upload to the computer. It was awful. I had to divide the files and send it through WhatsApp to my other phone. Send through WhatsApp to my other phone, and then or else split the video because the byte was quite big, 600 plus. Didn't went through the conversion there. I don't know what the uploading. I'm going by here. I have seen the map. This one go. Is it here or the other side? I don't know. No, I guess it's here. Go through the front of that way, the garden there. Go through here, straight, and then turn, going to the back, actually, of the lake. But every time I go inside, where it's dark and full of bushes and plants, and that's where the beans are, the creatures. Oh. The reason why I don't like it here because around the road, because sometimes quite busy, depending on the day or time. I don't like. Oh, I think I'm gonna take a rest because I feel very tired, man. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna do it. Oh, quite tired. Don't know why. I'm going to the wrong place here. Going to the wrong place. Forgot to bring in my shoes. So for variation, let's go to this road here and see how. There is quite a spooky, eerie places around here, and but I need a bike to go around. And in order for me to access the bike here, I have to go a long way to the beginning of the road where I stay, and cycle to the left and deep inside to this exact place. It's a quite far bike, and what else I carry on the overpass, but it's quite tired. I cannot do it. My health not so good. I cannot carry heavy things, let alone 2-story high. Crazy. I'm not gonna do it. So later I'm going through the other road there, then I can have a ride here and the other side. Quite far away here, about 8 kilometers is the cemeteries. There are Christian, Jew, Muslims, except Hindu, because Hindu, they usually, I don't know where they put the ashes. That, oh yeah, they throw in the sea, correct? They throw in the sea. They will you see, from here go to the place where I was at to go. Very dark and eerie here. See? So the Hindus, they usually they throw in the sea the ashes of their dead. Buddhism as well are also, except Hindu, because Hindu, they usually, I don't know where they put the ashes. That, oh yeah, they throw in the sea, correct? They throw in the sea. They will you see, from here go to the place where I was at to go. Very dark and eerie here. See? So the Hindus, they usually they throw in the sea the ashes of their dead. Buddhism as well are also. Only Christians and Muslims bury their dead. So the cemetery is quite a bit, not very far away from here. In fact, I think that here there were burial before. Not sure. But I don't like the cemetery. The energy is so dense over there. I really don't like it there. Oh, so scary. The energy there is so intense, and although it looks externally quiet and placid, internally, I don't know, the energy is no good. And if you are sensitive enough, you can bring that energy home. Wash your feet. My gosh, look at this place, how eerie. Wait, I go inside here. I need to take a breath before I go inside that darkness. See? So if you go to cemetery, if you are quite your body's open up to those energies and you are quite weak, I advise not to go. Okay, because energies sometimes can affect you a lot. You see, like they have tried in me, but I always recover. There's one thing about me, I'm very sturdy and mentally strong. Wow, it's quite a... I can hear footstep somewhere around me. But sometimes don't come out on the cam, but I can hear. My hearing is quite good. I have a very acute hearing. My sense of smell and hearing is very good. And I even vision also at night. You see that? It's quite eerie here. Today's Tuesday, 11 o'clock yet. Okay. So I have been studying the area, but it's not very, at least for me, it's not so attractive. But I don't like structures. I'd rather have like these bushes, greens and greeneries and wooded areas rather than any structure. See? Oh, what's that? There's somebody, there's garbage deposit. There's something there inside. Some muffling sounds. So from here you can see it, right? So that's the reason why I don't come here. I don't explore further, because the layout, the map layout of this place is quite confusing, and you need to have a map, or else you don't know your way back. Since I'm new here, I'm new to this area, not the old garden there. I'm very old, since 1989, when there's no overpass. Since 1989, I know that the garden there. However, these other areas have been renovated. Look at these trees, how eerie. So this area here, not so familiar. You see the bike is down. Here's the toppy area, the hill going up. I need to find out there's a garden here. Eco garden is very super duper eerie, and you need to be double extra careful when you enter there. It's totally a wooded area, it's a catchment area, and it's quite eerie. Okay, it's a kind of how to say, it's a park, a eco park. But I need to find out where. Maybe it's that way here, but it's quite far. I don't want to go there. I don't have the bike. I'm not okay. I'm not fit enough, you know, go very far. I'm feeling down, look at this tree. My God. Okay, I have to stop, because otherwise the video will become very big, the file, and then impossible to download, to upload. You see that? No cars, no bikes, wooded area up there. Because it's all dark, you cannot see properly. See, I'm gonna venture that over there. I guess it's hostel for the students. This is a institute. Okay. I'm gonna see what's there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh. The lights here, lighting system are out. It is good. But the corridor where I stay, every time when I walk by, the light will flicker all the time. When I pass by, the light will flicker, but it's not out. And oh my God, what the heck are you doing? Two lizards fighting right in front of me. So the corridor where I stay, the lights are not out, but flickers after 11 p.m. So at least when I go out after midnight, become worse. Every time I walk by, flicker. I don't know. Some people are like this. They are very sensitive to electromagnetic fields. But can it be quite challenging to stay here, or to stay not to stay here, to lodge here. There's a lodges. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going up again. Oh no, I don't deserve that. I need to go down. So here is a new place. Okay, I haven't explored this place yet, and today I decided to do that one. I won't do because I don't have a bike. I'm going to make I have other bikes that I'm going to change the tube so that I can pedal here at night. Oh no, I don't want to climb, I want to go down. My poor legs are tired already. Oh. On top there's another road, and it goes there in scales, on the scales. It looks very freak. Imagine 3 a.m. in the rain, very stormy night. Imagine this area, and you walk here alone. And be a bit eerie. I'm gonna buy a good thing. They put Doreo, or someone else may feel not good and can drop here, go downhill instead of speaking. I came today because of the pink moon. Where's the pink moon? I see no pink moon in the sky. I was in the hope that I would catch it, but I don't think this is the area of the world. Maybe in North America, the Americas. Oh my gosh, so tired me. And over there goes to another place. I'm not gonna climb, I'm sorry. Next time. Right now I'm just warming up. Eatery house. So where I'm going to that area there. Muita madeira. Oh, so sleepy. Oh my gosh. Oh, didn't bring my braces. My handy braces. Oh, what's this? Why like that? I never come here before. There's a lake. Okay. So I'm going to that area here. That's the place where I always go, and then later when I reach there, I see what smell of rodent urine. As I said, later I'm gonna talk about that thing that they usually use props to show. I was filming the backyard of the structure, the building, and during the filming I am 200% sure that there were no barricade, nothing blocking the way, because there's no blockage, no trees, anything over there. And then suddenly on the cam, a surprise, 2 tall building. You said there's a prop, something. Oh my God, what a eerie place. Not everybody has the courage to come here at night. So there were no way that they could have erected a structure right there at the moment when there were absolutely no object in that place. Smell. I want to smell jasmine, not this smell of rodent. Terrible smell. Rancid of their urine. That they are inside there. That is where they stay always. Okay, now I'm gonna give a tour there. I'm going maybe there, okay, and then I'm going there like before I went, and then I'm going inside there, the bushes, to exercise, and then we are going to below there. Oh my God, I love those trees, so beautiful. It's like they hold so much secret about the earth. All their roots carries secret. Let me see what's here. I didn't come here before. So you see, it's all networks of buildings in the road. That's why you see I avoid coming here, not because I'm lazy. I'm not lazy. I'm very active. But the problem is, I don't want to come to, the same kind of vision, of view. I don't like, because my aim is to go near very dark areas and secluded ones. Okay, so that's why I don't come here all the time. You see, I only go to the gardens. But I like this building here. I really love to live in a house like that by the woods. So beautiful. Just like my childhood house. Same architecture, same shape, but different. The door were those doors that can only close from inside, not the side. Crazy. Because this time people have servant who look after the house, so they don't have to worry about keys. So they had the window that opens outside, made of louver. They have the louver type windows. Then they also had another, this kind of museum kind of door, very long. They have latches inside. It was just that kind. And then by the side of the house is exactly like this, the house of my childhood. So I like to come here. And then by the side you have one veranda, very long veranda, sideways. Did I went there? No, right? I go there. Whew, so tired. And I hear that the house was so haunted, very haunted, creepy one. Very creepy house. Come 11 o'clock and then all the noise will start, all the how they call it, the moanings, very loud. The house will shake, the doors will shake also, like there was something shaking, a lot, boom 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 boom. And then bang at the door, and I would on the lights outside. I was 11 o'clock, 11 years old at that time. And they would they bring this kind of rats, very large black rats. And then they would throw cemetery sand, black sand, while my sisters, older sisters, mother-in-law were sleeping there. They laid.